Guess who's back? Today I've decided to do another mechanic video because you guys seemed to like the last one and I had an amazing time making the last one. So today we are going to be learning how to change a tire. I'm going to walk you step by step on how to do it, and
I'm going to let you know it's my first time ever doing it by myself.
So I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so your first step is going to be to open your trunk if you have a Cadillac XTS 2013. If you don't, the first step is basically just to get the spare tire out in the jack. I think that's what it's called. So what we're going to do is we are going to open this little flap here, and all you do is you press this right here and you pull it up and there's your spare tire.
Oh my word.
Okay, and then once you have the flap open, you're going to pull the tire out. Now that we have the flap open and I am completely in my car and my neighbors probably, I don't know, but basically you're gonna pull this out, which is the tire part. I'm so weak. Oh my, oh wait.
I forgot. No wonder I can't get it out.
The first step is to unscrew this part. I was like, it doesn't seem like it would be that hard. Okay, now we're gonna lift the tire up. See? Oh. Now that we got the tire out, we are going to take this out, which is important. I'm not sure what it is. It's like...
I'm not sure what it is, but I know it's important, and it's... Why else would it be under the tire, right?
Alright, I'll tell you what it is in a minute. You are going to close your trunk and get started. Alright, so the second step is gonna be to sit down, get comfy, because you're gonna have to go under your car. This, I learned, is called a jack, and it's what
jacks your car up.
so I guess that's where the name came from. And then this piece comes with it. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's the piece that you, first you're gonna undo it.
My dad made it look so easy.
Oh my gosh, my face is turning red. Okay, there we go. All right, whatever the heck this is called, you're gonna put it here and turn it. But first, there's a little flap under your car.
Right
there, I believe. And since my car is not on the ramps today, we're gonna put it right here. So we're gonna push it right here. We're gonna turn it the other way, and you're gonna have to see. You're gonna have to see where it is. Right there. And then you're gonna take this tool, and it's lefty loosey righty tighty, and you're gonna take it and you're gonna put it on this little bolt right here, and you're gonna turn it. I believe it's right. Okay. Got it. You're supposed to tighten it with your hand first.
Which makes sense.
I really hope I don't mess up my car.
That would be really bad.
This is what I'm doing. So you push it up your hand. You gotta make sure it's in the groove or else it'll mess up your car. And to be honest, I have no idea if I'm in the groove. My dad's gonna check out my skills after this to make sure I don't break my car, because it's the only car I have a while. And I'm thankful for it, but I don't want to mess it up. My dad's watching me through the window again. My dad's giving me tips through the window. Is it there yet? Is it there yet?
No, but if you do it, you can watch out for something. It's going up and you can watch it. So put your feet under there though.
Wouldn't want Ashley no feet after this.
How do you tell? Okay, so now that we have the car ramp up, we're gonna loosen these bolts so we can get the tire off. And I'm probably gonna have to stand for this because it'll probably be hard.
So we're gonna go lefty loose.
Wow, look how easy that is. I'm doing it, I'm doing it, you guys. I'm a natural born mechanic. There's one. And these are loose, so they're not that hard to get off. But I'm gonna show you guys how you could make it easier if they were really hard to get off. Alright, so basically what you would do is you would take another link or bar like this and you would add it to the one that you have and it would add more leverage. And I'm not sure what it's called, so I'll put it right here, but basically it makes it easier to get off. But these are already loosened, so I don't really need it. So, but that was if you were like a really struggling on them. I'm gonna fast forward me taking these bolts off and I hope you enjoy. Alright, now that we have all the bolts off, we're gonna take the tire. Ow! Okay, it's not coming off very smoothly, so we're gonna have to jack it up a little bit more because I can't get it off. Oh, and by the way, both of my parents are watching me through the window, so that's nice. Alright, try it. Spin it.
This is a struggle, guys.
This is not. It's very easy. Like, there's like not that many steps, but it's a little hard. Definitely need to build some muscles after this, which will foreshadow my next video. Ah, I did it. How do you get it off? Holy cow. I did it. I don't know what to do with it, but I did it. Wow, that's what it looks like. Now you put that one on. We're gonna put the tire back on somehow. I'm not quite sure. I've been failing at it for a solid minute. How do you get it on?
Kind of get down there and scoot up.
It's hard.
My third time trying to get this dang tire on this little wheel. Ugh. It won't stay. It is? Oh! Okay, third time's the charm. Don't follow me. Now when you put the bolts on, you do it in a crisscross manner like this. Okay, you put them on any way you want and then you tighten them in the crisscross manner. I'm learning, you guys. I think I'm doing okay. Oh my gosh, I did not think changing a tire would be this hard. People do it all the time. And I thought I did it. Oh my word, I changed the tire. Okay, and then when you're done finger tightening them, I learned that you're supposed to tighten it with the jack because you know you don't want your tire to fall off. That one? Nuh-uh. Got it. My dad's giving me filming tips from the window. Okay, changing the tire is not easy. That's what I've learned in this video. But you want to tighten it in a crisscross manner. And I think they're tight. You guys, I changed the spare tire. Do I loosen them now? Now we're taking the spare off because you don't actually drive with the spare unless you need it. So that's what I'm doing. All right, there's one. There's two. Alright, now we're going to take off the tire like we did before. And then you're going to put the giant tire back on that weighs 400 pounds. I had my dad help me put on the tire because it was too heavy for me to put on. Which I would not have to do that if I had a flat tire because this would be the flat tire. Spare tire is easier to lift. So, my dad's cooking some meat and it smells so good out here. So basically, the first step of changing the tire is getting the tire out. Then you jack up the car and you make sure it's in a groove so that this is plastic, so you don't want to get on the plastic because the plastic could crumble and fall on you and that would be bad. Then you loosen the bolts on your damaged tire. You take those off with this thing. Then you take the bad tire off and you put the new tire on, which I learned is not an easy step. And then once you put the spare tire on, you tighten it with the bolts. And then the bolts you tighten crisscross. And then you're all good to go until you need a new tire. One step I forgot to mention is to put your car, make sure the emergency brake is on because you don't want your car to roll forward. Because that would be, yeah, that's basically what I've learned today.
Oh my goodness, in the window again.
You guys, look, my hands are so filthy, I look like a mechanic. This video was really fun to make. It was quite an adventure. It wasn't as easy as changing the oil was, which I thought was weird because I thought the tire was going to be harder to change. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. It was super fun to make, and I know how to change a tire now. It was really quite an adventure to make. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Please go follow me on Instagram. It's going to be right here. Go follow Boris on Instagram. It's also going to be right here. Go follow me on Twitter and TikTok. It's the same username. I'll put it here once again. This song of the day is going to be Pumped Up Kicks by Foster the People. It's just a really good song and I like it. You should go check it out. I'm trying to get to 50 subscribers. Please help me get there. All you have to do is click the subscribe button and yeah, don't forget to smile. Wow.